Hey, my name is Christina with Liney's Digital, and I was doing some research in your area. I came across your website, and I figured let me send you some free tips on how you can increase your ranking on Google and beat your competition online. So that is what I want to help you with. And look, I don't want to waste your time, but if at the end of this video you like what you see and you want to know how you can grow your business online with the help of Liney's Digital, just let me know. If not, no biggie, just take these tips and see how well they work for you. So let's go ahead and get into it. There are 3 things that I want to share with you. All right, and those 3 things are content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing we have is content. Now, content is everything that you see here highlighted. It's the words, it's the pictures with the words. So let's first talk about the pictures. All right, so let's take a look at what your picture is named on your website. So if we go here, we can see that this picture is P36. So you want to name your pictures keywords, and the keywords being the words that customers are looking for when they're searching for your services. So that being roofing and roofing contractors in Greenville, things like that. You want to save your pictures under those names on your website, not because of your potential customers, but because of Google. This is what Google is looking for. They're looking for the words that are attached to your pictures. So that is one thing that can help you optimize your pictures for your website and get you Google ready. The next thing is content. So the next thing is your words of the content. So let's see, as we're looking through your website, we see that you have about 250 words on your homepage. Ideally, you want to have 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page and your service pages. Now, I know that seems a little wordy, but Google loves it. Google loves content. Google loves lots of keyword-rich content. So you want to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words, and you want to have it filled with your keywords, your main keywords on your website. So that will help you get Google ready on your website. The next thing that we're going to talk about is citations. Now, before we get into it, I did want to show you at the top, as you can see here, these are ads that everybody's used to seeing when they're searching on Google. So the thing about advertisements are they are great, but they can be limiting. And the way they can be limiting is there are a lot of people these days that have ad blockers. So a lot of these people do not even see the advertisements that are placed on the page. Another thing that can make it limiting is that there are a lot of people that skim right past advertisements for their own reasons. And so a company that is using advertisements as their primary means for getting customers online is missing out on a big portion of their audience. So that's just something I wanted to share with you, a helpful tip. The next thing that I wanted to share with you is the map section. So this is the map section, and in the map section it is helpful to have your citations all around the web. Now, a citation is your name, your address, and your phone number. So that is a citation essentially. And you want to have these citations all over the web in different directories. And a few examples of the directories are Yellow Pages, Yelp, Facebook, things like that. And you want to have as many citations as your competitors and more. So this is how you get ranked higher in the map section, because as you know, this is what everyone sees when they are searching. This is the first thing they see, and it's a lot of people just click right here when they see the first few companies. So it's good to be ranked higher in the map section, and then that can help you is by getting more citations and beating out your competition. Okay, and so now we're looking at the organic search section, and this organic search section is awesome, because if you get on the first page of Google, you get all the eyes. All the eyes are, looking at your listing, looking at your business. And so a lot of companies that get on the first page of Google they get a whole lot of customers just from being on this page. So you want to aim at this page. This should be your goal in the organic search section, because this is where you can get a whole lot of customers. This is where your competition is getting a great number of customers. So the third thing we're going to talk about is backlinks. And the backlinks are going to help you rank higher on Google. So I want to show you a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs, and it gives lots of good information. One of those things being backlinks. And so I've already pulled up your website, and as you can see, you have 2 backlinks and 1 referring domain. So and 0 organic traffic. So there's, no traffic coming from your site. There's no traffic going to your site from the organic search, and ranking higher will help that and get you more customers going to your site organically. So I would like to show you in comparison one of your top competitors, and that is Trueline Roofing. As you can see, they have 455 backlinks and 88 referring domains, and this is what's helping them get on the first page of Google. And as you can see, they're getting 52 potential customers to their sites every month, which is very helpful and brings in a lot of money. And so they are utilizing all the tools that I have previously told you: citations, content, and backlinks, and they are benefiting greatly from it. And I wanted to share these tips with you so that you can also benefit greatly from these type of strategies. So this is basically what I wanted to show you, a few helpful tips on how you can rank higher and get some more new customers in the door by organic search, because there are it's a lot out there that you can be getting, and this can definitely help you. So this is what I wanted to show you, just a few things. And if there is anything that you wanted to talk about more in depth when it comes to your website, or if you wanted to learn more about how we can help you build your business up online and beat your competition, just let me know and I'll be happy to help. I love it. So just let me know. Now, if not, if you could just give me some feedback on how I did in the video, and if I gave you valuable information, I would love to know that. And if you share it with me, it would be greatly appreciated. So thank you, and I hope you have a great rest of your week.